Hello, in this video I'm going to explain how to add alerts and missing parts. Okay, so I've loaded Michelle on the left hand side, so 203 is loaded on the left hand side, and I've got this toy Lego Quattro blocks that has got a missing part. Now the members come back and she said I've lost a red block. So if you have a look under the picture of the toy, there's three buttons: alert, part and edit toy. So if you click the middle button, new part, it comes up with a pop-up box. Now by default, if there's a member loaded on the left hand side of the loan screen, then this red block will be recorded to Michelle and Gregor Smith, who's loaded on the left hand side of the loans page. So this red block is missing. By default, the part type is missing, but if it's broken, just change it to broken from the pull down box. And by default, it will come up with a message whenever this toy is loaned or returned. But if you don't want it to pop up, then click this to know. So add the part, and you can see on the right hand side, I've got a missing part, which is the red block. If that red block is in red writing, it means that whenever you load F60, it will come up with a message. If you don't want to be annoyed with that message all the time, you hover over that row so it turns light green, click on that row and change the alert to no. So if I've changed that alert to no and press update part, you can see the red block writing is in black, so that when I load this F60 toy, it won't come up with a message that there's a red block missing. But if I do want to be alerted that there's a red block missing, then I change the alert user to yes and I update the part, and when I load F60, it will come up with a message missing red block. Okay. So now I also might want to add a message to that particular toy that maybe don't loan it out to babies or children under 6 months old. So I could just add a general alert: do not loan to babies, and then update the toy alert. So when I load F60 or loan it or return it, it will come up with a message, do not loan to babies and missing a red block, and press OK. You can also change some of the details of the toy F60 from this screen. Just a quick edit if you want to just edit a couple of the toys details, actually quite a lot of the details. So you can edit the toys from this page as well. But if you need more detail editing of this toy, say you want to add something to it, an attribute or something that's not really quick and easy on the loan screen, you can right click on this F60 button and open it up in a new tab. And this is the page that's loaded in the new tab, and it's got a little bit more detail. So you can add an attribute or print a bag label or whatever. So I'll just close that page without interrupting the status or the state of the loans page. So I'll just close that and go back to the loans page. In this page you can also add an alert to the member. So maybe a new alert to Michelle and Gregor Bird. You could say she's not really a member, and update the member alert. So when Michelle comes into the toy library and you press 203, it will come up with the message she's not really a member. So she's come in with these 5 toys and she's got a missing part, and see she's lost three parts. So you could click on the Farm Sounds block and add a missing part. You can click on the Century Kit and add a missing part. You can click on the Hide and Seek game and add a missing part. So it's a good idea, before you return all the toys, to process any missing parts first, so that you can easily click on those toys to load them. Okay, thanks for listening. Bye.